Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Adobe XD. We will begin by setting up your artboards and understanding the basic interface. Adobe XD offers a streamlined approach to design, allowing you to quickly lay out your pages and components. You can easily create a consistent visual language across your entire site, ensuring a cohesive user experience from start to finish. This process will help you visualize your website before any coding begins. To start, open Adobe XD and choose a web preset, such as Web 1920 for a desktop view or Web 1366 for a smaller screen. This sets up your initial artboard. You can add more artboards for different pages or responsive views, like a mobile version. Using layout grids and column guides, typically a 12-column grid, helps maintain consistent spacing and alignment across your design. This foundational step is crucial for an organized and professional website layout. Next, focus on designing your website's core elements. Use the Shape Tools and Text tool to create headers, footers, and navigation menus. Convert frequently used elements, like buttons or cards, into components to ensure consistency across all your artboards. In prototype mode, you can link artboards and add transitions, simulating user interactions. For example, a button click can lead to a new page, providing a realistic feel for your website's flow. Once your design is complete, it's time to share your work. Adobe XD allows you to generate a shareable link to your prototype, making it easy for clients or team members to view and provide feedback directly on the design. You can also export assets, such as images and icons, and generate design specifications for developers. This streamlined handoff process ensures that your vision is accurately translated into a functional website, saving valuable time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.